Hello my friend, in this short video I will show you the cucumbers in an improved version. Now you see we have a preview of the actual detection process from the Raspberry Pi. We can also record a part of the video so that we can get a video file for training purposes. And at the bottom of the screen you see the hardware usage on the Raspberry Pi during the detection and inference process. We use segmentation at the highest resolution that is possible for the Raspberry Pi and Hailo chip, and this 1280 pixels squared. Now we can check the results that we have from those detections, and you see that every count is segmented very nicely, and you see at the bottom of the information box you see the area that every cucumber has, and with that area we can measure the size of the actual cucumber. Also, we can check the video that we recorded. You see we have one previously recorded video and we have that other one. We can download it easily and we can play it on the computer too. So you see how it is easy to manage the process.